the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Since second winter has arrived in my area and due to a slight lack of planning, I have decided to remix another video for your viewing pleasure. I should be able to get out later this week and shoot a new video for next week. Nestled in Alberta's prairies, about 160 kilometers southeast of Edmonton, lies the village of Forestburg. Founded in 1905, this small but vibrant community grew alongside the railway, becoming a key hub for agriculture and industry. Forestburg's history is deeply tied to coal mining. Just 18 kilometers southwest, the Diplomat Mine interpretive site stands as a powerful reminder of that legacy. It's home to massive machines like the Marion 360, once the largest mobile land machine in the world, and the Bucyrus Erie 120B cable shovel, both towering symbols of the region's industrial past. Closer to home, the Forestburg and District Museum, housed in a 1927 Masonic temple, preserves the village's story, from pioneer tools to mining memorabilia and a recreated 1920s kitchen. The museum offers a glimpse into the lives that built this community. In spite of this, Forestburg isn't stuck in the past. The village thrives with cultural and recreational offerings, an arena, swimming pool, golf course, and a passionate art scene led by the Walter Jans Singers and Curtain Call Community Theatre. It's also a former national winner in the Communities in Bloom competition, a testament to the pride residents take in keeping their town beautiful and welcoming. So whether you're exploring history or enjoying local performances or simply wandering its charming streets, Forestburg is a place where the past and present come together, a small town with a big spirit. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.